When I was doing the tropical tequila sunrise looking recipe box, I was kind of planning like, hey, let's give this a go on blending the paint colors and do that on here. And I love that recipe box. It looks so good, but it's not selling, and it makes me think that maybe it's too bright for everybody right now. So I'm gonna go keep in mind fall, I guess. And I was thinking, since I've got the new DIY color Tarnished Pearl open, might as well put it to work. It's not a true white, and it's closer to cream than white, but still quite not. Still, it's not quite cream or ivory. Anyway, I'll show you. The inside looks a little dark, so I'm gonna paint inside as well, inside the tool. This is the DIY paintbrush made by Paint Pixie, and I love it. You can get it on my website. I've got quite a few of them in stock still. I will mail it to you today if you order right now. Of course, yeah, you know what? Whenever this video is published, I will put the date on it, and that date, I promise to ship it in one day. I don't promise to edit this thing in one day is my main problem. So this paint, or this box, it's raw wood. I'm kind of using my paint, kind of stretching it here on the inside. I don't know that inside is as important to me as the outside. I've got a portion of a transfer left over from that same recipe box. And so my thought is to use one of those flowers on here. Again, trying to make that go as far as it possibly can. All right, I'm gonna do inside front. They call this size of paint a sample, but you can really get a lot done with it. Again, I'm kind of scraping this brush to clean. You could paint, you could do it in one coat, and it might end up being less. You just need to put more paint on your brush. I put a second coat of paint on this, not on camera, because my phone was dying and it was not recovering in time to make it all happen. But phone is good. So I'm gonna add one more coat just to touch up the places that I've missed. I think that side looks pretty good. I can see holes in like the handle, and then the inside needs some work and a tiny bit on the outside. I put my paintbrush in a sandwich bag so that I didn't have to clean it in between coats. I am still using the Tarnished Pearl. I've got these other things here because I want to show them to you. So first, that's not working. I'm gonna get the insides, this last coat on the insides, because I want I was trying to do it yesterday and I was messing up the paint job along here. Okay, I really think this side needs a little bit more. I don't even know if I'm gonna be on the camera, but I'm gonna knock this out real quick. So I have touched up the tote one more time. I have put my paintbrush in the sandwich bag so that if I do see something last minute I want to touch up, I'll still paint on here. I don't want to clean it right now. I feel like I need more flexibility. This is on such a long, straight stem that I can't, I don't want it to look like a long, straight stem. Wasn't really planning to work on this side of the countertop, but I wanted you to be able to see the design issue I'm having. I don't like these parallel stems.
looks awesome.
What do you think about the lone yellow flower?
I think that looks great, Jay. I'm sorry. Here, look at me. That looks awesome.
Thanks.